It was the most unplanned of sorts. That's why there was no planning behind it at all. In fact, acting करने के भी 1 डेढ़ साल बाद तक I wasn't sure whether I am going to be a professional actor. It took me a while to admit to myself that yes, this is the career that I want to choose. So basically, मैं कानपुर में रहती थी. कानपुर से दिल्ली शिफ्ट हुई when I was I think 6-7 years old, and that is because my family business had completely faltered. And then when I grew up, I was always looking forward to taking on to my family business and taking it ahead. But just that life happened, things kept changing. I joined the corporate career, then shifted to Bombay while wanting to work in the corporates. And then I shifted my family here because I'd worked a certain amount and I'd taken a house here. And then when I shifted my family, so I felt a certain amount of my responsibility had been taken care of. So I was still very young at that time. But there was a sense of settlement that had finally come in. And the idea to get into acting was to just do something creative for about 3-4 months because I had been working since I was 16, quite rigorously. So I just wanted to take a break. And I thought थिएटर के लिए मेरा हरदम से एक फैसिनेशन था. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मैं
How it started your love for acting? How it started? This is the very first play or theatre or any movie?
So my first interaction ever was when I was in 12th standard and I was doing this 1 month NSD workshop which used to happen in schools, and luckily उस वक्त मेरे स्कूल में हुआ था. And वो 1 महीना हम सारे स्टूडेंट्स अलग अलग स्कूल्स से और अदर ऑल अक्रॉस द कंट्री से साथ में मिलके वी वर डूइंग थिएटर एक्सरसाइजेज एंड परफॉर्मेंसेज एंड दिस दैट द अदर. एंड मेरे लिए वो पूरा एनवायरनमेंट बहुत ही थ्रिलिंग, बहुत मेमोरेबल, और आई रिमेंबर बीइंग मोस्ट हैप्पी ड्यूरिंग दैट 1 month. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ ऑलवेज स्टेड विथ मी. एंड जब मैंने अपनी फैमिली को यहाँ सेटल कर दिया, सब कर दिया, मे बी समवेयर आई वॉन्टेड टू कम टू बॉम्बे बिकॉज I also felt that the theatre here will be easier to access, but I never really ended up doing that because I was constantly working in the corporate space और साथ में manage नहीं हो रहा था. तो मैंने 3 महीने का sabbatical लिया था after settling my family down कि मैं थिएटर करना चाहती हूँ. मैं फिगर आउट करूँगी कि कब क्या प्लेज होते हैं, अगर मैं कुछ शाम के वक्त 5:30-6 बजे के वक्त रिहर्सल्स कर सकती हूँ, एंड देन आई कैन कम बैक टू अ फुल टाइम कॉर्पोरेट जॉब. दैट वाज द आइडिया. And I had this kind of a deal with my the corporate that I was working for. They said कि ठीक है 3-4 महीने तुम sabbatical लो, figure what you want to do and then come back, we will inculcate you again. And that kind of never happened because कुछ ना कुछ करके acting होना था, तो it started on that journey.
See, Kanpur, then Mumbai, then South. That's the very first film of yours. How that film happened to you, and what was your first reaction when they want you to be a part of that project?
So तब तक I think I had kind of decided that I want to at least try acting, and because मैंने 3-4 बारी थिएटर में कर ली थी कोशिश. See, for me, I was always supporting my family, so for me to earn was always important, and I didn't have that privilege कि अच्छा मैं 2-3 साल खाली struggle करूँ और खाली अपना creative satisfaction करूँ और मैं थिएटर करूँ लेकिन कुछ कमाऊँ ना तो चल जाएगा. तो अर्निंग हैड टू हैपन साइड बाय साइड. एंड बिकॉज जब मैं प्लेस कर रही थी तो मैं कॉर्पोरेट जॉब नहीं कर पाती थी, जब मैं कॉर्पोरेट जॉब कर रही थी तो मैं प्लेस नहीं कर पाती थी. एंड द कपल ऑफ टाइम्स आई ट्राइड ऑसिलेटिंग बिटवीन द टू. वो प्लेस स्टेज ही नहीं हुए कभी. तो आई रियलाइज कि अगर मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है, तब तक हल्का सा कीड़ा लग गया था एक्टिंग का. तो ये था कि अगर मुझे एक्टिंग परस्यू करनी है एंड आई डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड माई ईयर्स एंड देन लुक बैक एंड थिंक कि ये मैंने क्यों नहीं किया, काश वाला. तो आई सेड कि मुझे कमाना भी यहीं से पड़ेगा. दैट्स हाउ एड ऑडिशंस, ऑल दीज थिंग्स स्टार्टेड. एंड देयर आई गिव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट टू प्रदीप सरकार दादा, who took me on to my first ad, which was Stay Free. And he made me feel that there are lovely people in this industry. And then he took me on to another ad which happened alongside. तब तक मैंने थोड़े बहुत फोटो शूट्स, प्रिंट शूट्स, ये सब शायद करने चालू कर दिए थे. एंड बिकॉज आई वॉज ऑडिशनिंग, सेंडिंग माई प्रोफाइल्स ऑन फेसबुक, दिस दैट दी अदर, थोड़ी बहुत जो भी पिक्चर्स थी मेरे पास, आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ वन एजेंट इन चेन्नई कॉल्ड मी फॉर अ जॉब, a film which was supposed to be in Hyderabad, a Telugu film. And trust me, I never thought that I'll be doing a South Indian film at all. but this seemed like a very good opportunity. Also, it was a very interesting script. I met I remember I was shooting for an ad in Malaysia that time, where I got this call. And when I came back, they were surprisingly here. They'd come to cast someone else, and that did not work.
Destiny.
And they ended up meeting me. And we liked each other. I found them to be very simple people. And the story was also pretty contemporary, you know, not one of those masala,
The normal
typical
masala.
movies. So yeah, I went on for it. And then Maha se I did another Telugu movie. And the rest is history.
अनुप्रिया क्या इतना आसान रहा? You know, it was that easy. Once you are done with South film, एक होता है, एक दौर होता है जब आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार हो नहीं पा रहा है. You keep on going with the studios, office, along with your portfolio and all. Said this is what I am, or this is what I have done.
Yeah.
कभी ऐसा हुआ कि यार नहीं हो पा रहा है?
बहुत बारी.
और
बहुत बारी. अभी भी होता है कभी कभी.
इमोशनल कि यार नहीं हो पा रहा है जो चाह रहे हैं.
So see, this is a very uncertain space, and no one journey is similar. You know, you'll keep hearing this, that everybody has their own journey. So all of us have a similar place where we want to reach, and the process is sort of similar also, but yet it is such a fantastic thing that हर journey अलग होती है इतने सारे लोगों की भी. तो काफ़ी बार होता है ये कि you feel कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. You just can't take this uncertainty every time and anymore. And you know, projects happen. Sometimes projects happen and they fall through. वो भी होता है. To get a certain project that you are really willing to get, वो नहीं मिलता. जो मिलता है आपको अच्छा लगता है, but you still keep wondering कि वो कब होगा जो आप चाहते हो. वो that keeps happening. And of course, it hasn't been easy at all. It might sound so when one talks about it. Like the South Indian films, when I did them, the first project that I was talking about, that went on for 10 months. It was supposed to be an independent project. It was supposed to be very like a small budget film, but somehow it went on for 10 months and the process was very grueling for me, and that was my first year. And मेरे लिए बाकी बॉम्बे से मेरा पूरा टच ही हट गया था, ख़त्म हो गया था. जो भी मैंने थोड़ा 4-5 महीने काम यहाँ किया था, पीपल हैड स्टार्टेड टू गेट टू नो मी, द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स एंड ऑल. एंड मेरी ये 1-2 चीज़ें काफ़ी अच्छी आई थी. द एड आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट विद दादा, दैट भारत निर्माण एड हैड डन वेरी वेल and people had started to notice. But then I was away in Hyderabad for 10 whole months literally. And then I did another movie there, and then Bobby Jasoos happened, which again took me back to Hyderabad. So I was feeling very homesick and I wanted to be back in Bombay and do things. And somehow I never ended up doing a South Indian film again. Not that I really didn't want to, but somehow it didn't work out ever again. Then yeah, there's been ups and downs through the whole journey. Now I feel that there is a certain amount of credibility that has got attached. There is a certain amount of, you know, space that I'm looked upon in, and I give a lot of credit to the opportunities that YRF and Sanjay sir have given me in Padmavat and Tiger Zinda Hai and then War and a lot of other web space that I've done. So yeah, I'm thankful for the journey and getting to meet and work with people who I have been very, you know, fond of and I've looked upon as mentors. But that up and down happens all the time.
You mentioned War, you mentioned other film also. Which film or which work or body of work you consider the turning point in your career? See, if I talk about Anupriya, she's noticed by Natasha, Nikhat Hussain, जहाँ जितने भी वक्त के लिए अनुप्रिया हैं और उनके इर्द गिर्द कितने भी किरदार हैं, वो अपनी मौजूदगी दर्ज कराती है कि मैं यहाँ हूँ.
Thank you.
What is that body of work you consider? And I feel like being a journalist, you get more notice. See, if you talk about the Salman Khan film, Tiger Zinda, वहाँ बहुत notice होती हैं. जब मैं आपकी वेब सीरीज की बात करता हूँ, वहाँ मुझे लगता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा खिल के और बहुत ज़्यादा noticeable होता है.
Thank you.
Seriously, it's not about me being alone. There are friends of yours or colleague of yours. They tell you the same thing. क्योंकि महसूस होता है. What you consider body of work, the web series you have done or the film you have done?
Like the body of work that I really like, or you think that has been my turning point?
Turning point, both of things.
So for me, I think, see, I don't think any one project becomes your turning point. It's an overall journey.
Yes.
You know, आज मैं 7 साल से acting कर रही हूँ, तो bit by bit, everything has been a stepping stone.
Right.
And people like I said, दादा के साथ मैंने 2013 में काम किया था. उसके बाद मैंने कभी नहीं काम किया उनके साथ. But I still consider him a huge influence and a mentor. बिकॉज उन्होंने मुझे वो इनिशियल एक पुश दिया था, एक इनिशियल अपने में फेथ दिया था मुझ में, कि बिलीफ दिया था कि हाँ तुम कुछ कर सकती हो, तुम गलत नहीं कर रही हो, मतलब एक्टिंग के लिए शायद इज़ अ ग्रेट स्पेस टू बी इन, मतलब अ गुड वन, यू कैन गिव इट अ शॉट. Similarly, lot of other people have helped, and lot of other projects, ads have literally run my household for 4 years. अगर वो नहीं होते तो शायद मैं यहाँ आज बैठी नहीं होती, because I needed to run my household, as I said. उसमें मैंने मिंत्रा का एक ad किया था जो really did well, the first lesbian ad. And if I really have to pinpoint, then I feel Tigers in the Eye and Padmavat were the turning points in my life, because it took me to the masses. Because they were YRF films, because there was Sanjay Leela Bansali sir, or a Salman Khan sir, or Deepika and Shahid and Ranveer, a combination of that. And yes, of course, as an actor, as you said, the presence that you come with, or the integrity, or the sincerity that you come with, उसका बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. But to get those opportunities is huge as well. So I think those were the turning points wherein people really noticed me in terms of masses. And then जो भी मैंने थोड़ा बहुत कमाया था within the casting directors and all, that kind of got cemented कि हाँ there is they started looking at me with more appreciation or for like credibility. But it's an entire journey. Like all those casting directors who would have praised you at auditions that yeah you're a good actor, or would have taken your auditions seriously, or kept giving you chances, and you would have kept struggling and keep going on. That I think perseverance is the most important here. There are more failures or more rejections than wins, but you just need to keep going on here.
असुर की बात हो या जेट वो इनजस्टिस, क्रिमिनल इनजस्टिस की बात, वहाँ मैं जानना चाहूँगा अनुप्रिया, वो किरदारों को जब मैं कोई लिख रहा है somebody writing, तो वो एक जहन में रखते हैं कि we want अनुप्रिया to be a part of it. असुर की बात कर, we want अनुप्रिया to be a part of it. How this happened? आप सही जगह सही वक्त पे पहुँच गए, या उन्होंने आपको ढूंढ के निकाला कि we want you to play this?
कहीं कुछ जगह अब ऐसा होता है कि ऑब्वियसली लोग मतलब अब पिछले 1-1.5 साल में ऐसा होता है कि there are projects that I've worked in without really auditioning for them also, and there are a lot of those narrations that happen where people think of you in a character and they approach you for it, and then or they are writing a certain character with your thought in mind, which is a huge blessing. Like considering where I've come from, I think I'm very, very thankful for that, and for those people who have faith in me as an actor. But having said that, most of the places I've also auditioned. Like Criminal Justice के लिए मैंने audition किया था, असुर के लिए भी मैंने audition किया था. हाँ, so कुछ audition से मिला है, कुछ अपने काम से मिला है. It's been both ways.
The recent body of work of yours, Ashram, which is appreciated by everyone. I don't want to go to the controversial part. Even Natasha get noticed. और शायद मुझे लग रहा है, और might be there are other people who think the same way. The love making scene between you and Darshan Kumar. That is the very first, when I talk about Anupriya Goenka, वो एक अनुप्रिया का एक अलग स्टाइल ऑफ वर्किंग है, एक बॉडी लैंग्वेज है, और बहुत आपको लगता है कि बहुत इंटेलेक्चुअल जब आप देखते हैं ऑन स्क्रीन जितने भी किरदार आपने किए, हाउ यू केम ऑन बोर्ड ऑन आश्रम, और क्या ब्रीफ था जब मैं आपके उस डॉक्टर के किरदार की बात करता हूँ?
तो आश्रम एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जिसके लिए मैंने ना कभी ऑडिशन किया, और मैं सर से मिली भी नहीं थी, प्रकाश सर से. ही लिटरली साइंड मी एंड कन्फर्म मी ओवर फोन. आई थिंक ही रियली ट्रस्ट श्रुति महाजन ऑल्सो, जिन्होंने मैं कास्ट किया था. एंड श्रुति ने मुझे पद्मावत दी है, बॉबी जासूस माई फर्स्ट फिल्म, एंड नाउ आश्रम ऑफ कोर्स. सो आई ऑलवेज कंसिडर हर माई लकी मैस्कॉट. And whenever she tells me something, I always listen to it with a lot of sincerity, because she knows the space I am in. And प्रकाश झा का नाम सुन के कुछ और किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत ही नहीं, तो it was an immediate yes from my side. And I'm very thankful to sir कि he didn't even try to meet me. He was shooting somewhere else, I was shooting for war that time, and he signed me up. And my first meeting with him was after all the formalities were completed. So I remember having a half-an-hour discussion with him, जहाँ हमने breath पे बात करी, कैरेक्टर को खोजने की बात करी, कैसे वो नताशा को देख रहे थे, Because again, Natasha, as many of my other characters, is a bold character who is in an intense situation. आसपास कुछ intense चीज़ें ही चल रही हैं, वो इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं, कोई हर्ट हो रहा है, किसी की डेथ हो रही है, काफ़ी कुछ हो रहा है. तो उसमें एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ सीरियसनेस तो है ही कैरेक्टर में बिकॉज ऑफ द सिचुएशन शी इज़ इन. बट इंटरनली शी इज़ अ मोस्ट स्प्राइटी पर्सन, मोर वोकल, वेरी ओपिनिएटेड एंड मे बी अ लिटिल फिकल ऑल्सो. तो उन्होंने बताया था मुझे कि अगर वो जैसे चलेगी तो इस तरह चलेगी, या फिर अगर जो फ़ोन उठाएगी तो झट से उठाएगी और झट से चीज़ें करेगी. वो इम्पल्सिव भी है, एक डिटेक्टिव मेंटालिटी है. तो उनकी ये कुछ बातों से काफ़ी कुछ मैंने समझा था नताशा को. एंड देन वी वर्कड ऑन इट टुगेदर एंड ऑन सेट ऑब्वियसली ही वाज ऑलवेज देयर. वैसे
आशुन को बहुत कामयाबी मिली. मुझे लगता है कि आई डोंट नो क्यों मैक्स पे गए, विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट. बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म और इससे ज़्यादा मतलब मुझे लगता है कि नेटफ्लिक्स या और भी बड़ी जगह पे जाया जा सकता था. और शायद बाद में रियलाइज हुआ वो मैक्स पे ऑन एयर होने के बाद कि ये प्रोडक्ट कितना बड़ा है.
आई बेग टू डिफर. आई थिंक जिस चीज़ की अपनी जर्नी होती है ना, वो वहीं जाती है, वहीं पहुंचती है. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट. MX had always see it's a very different concept जो आज तक कभी सोचा नहीं गया है. And Prakash sir and MX have worked on it together. So whole credit goes to the studio as well for bringing that kind of sub concept and for supporting it amongst the kind of situation we are in today. कोई भी चीज़ जो controversial होती है, it can go horribly wrong, but they supported that kind of content. And of course प्रकाश सर की खासियत है जो मुझे लगता है कि वो जो काफ़ी सोशली रेलेवेंट इश्यूज़ हैं उन पे बात करते हैं. कंट्रोवर्सी हो सकती है पर वो इस तरह बात करते हैं कि आप उस पर एक बायसनेस नहीं नज़र आता. He just puts it out there very straight for the audience to draw their own conclusions and impressions. तो I give full credit to MX for supporting such a content and for bringing it forward, and they've really put it out there. They've presented it well. They've marketed it beautifully, which also has a lot to say, right? And I'm very happy with the way it's turned out. मतलब हम लोग ने ऐसे सोचा ही नहीं था कि इतना बड़ा रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा. पता था कि अच्छा बन रहा है, it will make a mark and it will stir up a lot of reactions. बट इतनी ओवरवेलमिंग सक्सेस मिलेगी ये नहीं सोचा था. True. I have been stopped many a times, literally there are, of course I get a lot of messages on social media, but I've been stopped many a times recently, asked for this simply because they want to know कि second season कब आ रहा है.
Please let us know what second.
Very soon. So we shot for the first season and that got divided in 2 parts. So we've already shot that part that has come out, and the second part is also ready to come. So I think within a month or month and a half it should be out.